What's going on, guys? Good morning. We're going to take a look at the markets here. It is the 6th of October. Take a look at Aerodrome Finance. We'll drop into a couple other charts. Hope everybody had a great weekend. We're back. We had a little bit of a mixed weekend with some green and some red here on the charts. We had Aerodrome Finance finally break out into some new recent higher highs, and we've been cooling off here. Markets have found resistance at the 120 level, which is above the market, and we're finding support at the moment right around the 114 level on the chart here. We've made this big move on Wednesday, Thursday. Looks like Wednesday, the 1st of October, was an 8% up day. The 2nd of October was almost a 9%. And we've pulled back here, cooling off. Bitcoin has cooled off as well after making a very, very large expansion to the upside. So 114 is our support, and we have 120 as our resistance. We'll see what the markets do today. Obviously, if we continue to drop here, we're just going to watch 111, and then I think there should be some real good support right where these highs are here. So that would be 109. That's the upper end of this range here. That was broken on the 2nd. So we could pull back again down to the 109 range, which is right in here. As far as the upside, if we start to get some green here in the markets on this Monday, the 6th of October, we got to break through 120, 122. Once we're broken above those two levels, the next area I'll be looking is right around the 130 range, 131 range for Aerodrome, and that would put this market into another market higher high. Higher high so far. Again, we don't know where the lows will come in. They might come in down to 109. We're looking for that next break up to the 130, 131 area. And then we got these highs over here, which we talked about X amount of days ago, which are 136, 137. That's where these highs came in on the 17th, right around the 17th, 15th of September. So that's that, guys. All looking good here. Let's go drop over to the Bitcoin chart. Something to keep an eye on. We do have the 50-day moving lower. Overall in an uptrend, but it's tilting down right now, I should say. The 200-day is moving higher. Let's go to Bitcoin, BTC USD. Bitcoin is up 222 at the moment. We've had a very, very large expansion move to the upside after marking in a higher low here on the 25th, taking off like a rocket, putting in a new higher high, putting in all-time highs. Bitcoin put in all-time highs on Sunday, hitting a high of 125,750 according to this Coinbase chart. And today we are sitting at the moment at 123,749, right near all-time highs. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now at the moment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up days in a row. 1 red day, 2 green days. This thing's been going straight up. Very, very nice. We've seen the markets move as well with that. 50-day turning higher, 200-day trending higher. Bitcoin dominance trending higher with Bitcoin as well. Let's drop over to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, we have the Fear and Greed Index at a 59. I was kind of surprised with the amount of fear in the market with Bitcoin in new all-time highs. It seems pretty odd. You think it would be just full-blown greed. It's not. Altcoin season, man, we were right down to the 59 yesterday. You believe that? And we're at a 62 here this morning. So that's going to wrap it up, guys. Let me know your thoughts here on the markets. Aerodrome Finance, watch those levels. Pull back down to 109. Potentially, you want to see that hold. That would be the old resistance flipping into support. And then above the market's 120, 122 area. And then a break above that takes us up to the 130, 131 range. Guys, all links are down below. If you are not yet a subscriber, join us here on the channel. Appreciate you guys. Of course, not financial advice. You guys have a great Monday. These markets are looking good. It's looking like we're getting ready to rock and roll to the upside here for the altcoins. Of course, Bitcoin's in new all-time highs. You guys have a great day.